Okay, now I'm just doing a login. Users, user 2. User 2 reports to whom? User 2 reports to whom? User 2 reports to custom admin, and the problem, you don't have a read permission. Let me edit the permission profile. Profiles. I mean, you remembered yesterday we removed create permission for this profile, standard profile, custom standard profile. Yeah. Now I'm creating a record. Now I'm creating a record using ACC-U2. ACC-U2. Account number 123456. Employee ID 721. Okay. And then I'm just saving. Now for the same ID, I'm just copying. Employee 2, I mean user 2 reports to sales team member reports to sales manager. Sales team member is U2, sales manager is custom admin. But insufficient privileges. User 3 is insufficient, okay? I'll tell you why. And user 3 is on which role? Manish? Hello? User 3 on which role? Okay, user 3 as in team marketing manager. But sales team is just under the sales manager. If you think that both marketing manager and sales manager are at same position, right? Manager position. Hello. Yeah, you just understand here. Sales manager and marketing manager are equal in position. In their respective places. Sales team member is reporting to marketing manager or sales manager. The record will share only to the reporting person, not with the parallel hierarchy. So only the sales team member record can able to open by custom admin. The rest, I mean user 3 is a marketing manager. User 3 is still he is not supposed to able to open because he is not in the same hierarchy. He is equal to the sales manager, but he is not in the same hierarchy. Okay? Now my understanding is I wanted to share a sales team record to marketing manager. I wanted to share my sales team record to marketing manager. Now what happens? We need to create a sharing rule. Now we need to create owner based sharing rule. If the creator role belongs to sales team member, then I wanted to share this record to this particular one. We'll see sharing settings, okay, and then from a drop down select account, from a manage sharing settings for accounts, select account. It will redirect you to the page. Click on new rule, enter rule label sales team member to marketing manager based on record owner member of role. Okay, right? User 2 is a member of which role? Sales team member, right? I mean, the one who is creating this account, who's the role? What is the role for that role? If the sales team member share with what? Share with roles. Share with roles. Here I have a marketing manager, and we have a default access level. Read only, read or write. And generally for account we have opportunity access and cases, because for account opportunity cases are a cross object relationship. It so whenever I have access to this particular account, do I need access for my opportunities, or it's a private? Let me keep private only for now. We'll discuss this on criteria rules. See, you understand, right? The owner of the record, what is the owner name? What is owner? Created by an owner or same, always? Mayur is created by is the owner of a record, or it could be chances to someone else. Hello. Is the record owner always a created by person, or someone? It can be a someone else. Yes. You know, right, Manush? There in Salesforce objects we have separate owner field, right? If you look into here, owner, you can see there will be separate owner created by. Remember, I can change owner still. So sharing rules will work under this field. It will not consider created by. It will take the owner. This field it will consider. And I am giving read only. I am just giving read only access to sales team marketing manager. Okay. Yeah. Now let me go back to the user 3. If I refresh, record got shared, right? To whom it is shared now? Marketing manager. Which type of access the record is getting shared? If I click edit, see, insufficient privileges. You do not have the level of access necessary to perform the actions is requested. So we provided read only. Let me talk about, I wanted how I can share my record. Now my expectation is that I wanted to share even to marketing team members. How to share to marketing team members? See, even we have two options. Either we can write a sharing rule. If the owner of the record role belongs to sales team members, you can share this record to marketing team member directly. We have two solutions here. You understand the requirement now, right? Requirement is that sales team member records need to share with marketing manager and team member. We have two solutions. First solution, owner based sharing rule. What we can do, owner role equal to sales team member share with marketing team members. If I share my records with marketing team members, marketing manager will get access, right? If team member have access, by default manager will get access. This is one approach. Second approach is also there. Again, owner based sharing rule. Owner role equal to sales team member share with marketing manager by selecting roles and subordinates. Clear to this point? So what I am saying, when the owner based sharing rule, owner name, owner role equal to sales team member, share with marketing manager by selecting roles and subordinates. So understand here, understand which option is best, Manish, one by one. Which option is looking good to share a records? Both will do same operation. Both will do same operation, record sharing. But there is a one type of setting only is the recommended way. Sorry. Second option. Okay, Manish. What about Mayur? Huh? Okay. And Indu? Any reason in choosing first option? Okay, I'll give you a reason. I'll give you a reason. You guys will answer. I added, consider that I added new team role. I added new team, new field marketing role. But my expectation is that this is user 5 now. My expectation is that I wanted to share only marketing team members. I don't want to share to other persons. We don't know when organization lower hierarchy will change, right? There is a chances where there will be a new role will be gonna added. There will be chances the existing roles can be removed. Now understand, if I shared with roles and subordinates, what happened? By default, if any new record, new role is added, the access will be passed on, right? To a unauthorized person have a access when it comes to roles and subordinates. Yes, there are some places we need to use roles and subordinates, but maximum time as a developer, as a business analyst or a consultant, we always look how to share a records with the nodes. We need to share a records on the nodes. By default, grant access will give you a top level access. So we don't want to worry from a top to bottom. We need to worry from bottom to top, right? So yes, both options are correct, guys. Nothing is wrong and correct. But the recommended, the highly recommended way, provide access your node level. It will redirect to top level. Clear? Everyone? Yes or no, Manish? Recommended way. Now we have some interview questions. Some important interview questions here. We just already we shared railing rule. For an question is that for an existing sharing rule, if I want to modify what and all I can modify. Am I allowed to change? Am I allowed to change share with option by default? Am I allowed share with option? What I am saying here is, might be my sentence is wrong. We already created one sharing rule, right? If I edit this one, the expectation is that instead of role manager, I wanted to share with marketing team member, right? If I click edit, you can see all fields. I mean, it is not allowed to share with option is disabled, right? And account owner is also disabled. The only you can allow to edit is label name, rule name, opportunity access level. It will not allow to the. So now this rules helps us. I mean, is this rule helps us now, or is it good to delete this rule? Now I want to share with a marketing team member. I don't want to share with marketing manager, right? So we can delete this one because it will not allow you to change the owner or the share with option. Okay. Now new rule. What I am sharing? Sales team member to marketing team member. Owner belongs to roles belongs to where is sales team member, roles belongs to marketing team member, read only. I'm just providing read only access. Okay, clear? Now what happens? Everyone should get access. User 4, user 3 by default we have access. If you see, user 3 by default we have access. This is user 3, right? Marketing team member. Now additionally from which user we are providing? User 4. Got it? Now the question is something related. Little one till now we just now first case. First case we saw something like sharing to multiple roles in same hierarchy. Okay, sharing from one role from one role records sharing to multiple roles in the same hierarchy, right? One role in the sense sales team member is one role, right? I'm sharing to multiple team roles like marketing manager I'm sharing and marketing team members. Based on I created one role, but the way I shared with two roles. Clear? Now the second use case. My second use case, multiple role records in same hierarchy need to share with one role in another hierarchy. Now understand, it's ulta ho gaya. From one role it becomes here and multi roles becomes here. My expectation is that whenever sales manager or sales team creates a record, it should share with a marketing manager. It should share with a marketing manager. Clear? Question is clear. First scenario is clear. Rest to, I mean, Manish and Mayur. Yeah. Now, how to implement solutions? Solutions available. Solutions for implementation. Always for every implementation there will be more than one solution, right? We know that very well. There will be always more than one solution for each and every development, right? So here we have solutions. The first solution I can say owner equal to sales manager share with marketing team members. This is first solution. Second one is owner. First solution, this is A1. Okay, owner equal to sales team member share with marketing team members. Let me put this way. This is one of A, okay? Because multiple roles we need to share, right? This is not 2, this is B. See, now we can see first solution is saying that owner of sales manager share with marketing team members. Owner of sales team member, I mean if the account owner is sales manager, I will put even account owner, that would be put account owner sales team members share with marketing team members. This is one solution. The next solution we have account owner equal to sales team member sales manager account owner sales team members roles and subordinates share with marketing team member. Now from these two what I am saying, account owner role is sales manager and the subordinate, even sales manager or sales team member, even my role, myself and my subordinates creates a record it need to share with marketing team members. You understand this point? Hello? Roles and subordinates means role is sales manager. What is subordinate of this role? Sales team member. So we have an option in sharing rule. You can see even the owner, even the share criteria. Let it get refreshed. You can see owner member belongs to roles and subordinates. Owner owned by member of roles and I am saying this roles and subordinates. Before we did roles and subordinates here. Now I am saying that this one. Okay. With this consideration, among these two solutions, among these two suggested solutions, which one could be a best? Manish? Mayur? Okay, fine. It's not about wrong answer and connect answer. Let's connect. Okay. So consider that generally what we'll say, let's take a project manager. If the project manager is reporting to someone, you will also respond to that other person, right? I mean, let's take a manager 1. Manager 1 is reporting to manager 2. Indirectly you are also reporting to manager 2 if I say like this, right? The same thing, if the sales manager record itself he is sharing to marketing team member, it means he is reporting to marketing team members. With this consideration, if you see the way of data flow, sales manager whatever he creates account, it is sharing to sales team member, right? I mean marketing team member. My manager is sharing to marketing team member, even I need to share to marketing team member, right? The same thing here goes. So only the solution for this is roles and subordinates. The relations sub this roles and subordinates, because if manager sharing, all my subordinates also need to share with marketing team member. That's like a standard business process. If manager is reporting, everyone is reporting to that guy only. Clear? Before something like from one hierarchy we are sharing to other team members. That time I might have a restriction that I am not supposed to share with other team role, right? So only I suggested not to go with the roles and subordinates in the first solution. But the second one is we need to take a records from the creators and then we need to share to someone else. For creators, the top position I'm taking is sales manager position. So if I am a manager, my team members, all my subordinates also have access to me. My records are sharing. It means I need to share with all records to marketing. Instead of creating a multiple roles, that time we can choose roles and subordinates. Okay.